On the 26th of November 2024, India celebrated National Milk Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Verghese Kurien, the visionary behind the country's dairy revolution. In Meghalaya, the occasion was marked with an event held at the Central Dairy in Mawiong. The Principal Secretary of the state's Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Frederick R. Kharkongor, served as the chief guest, while the Secretary of the same department, S.C. Sadhu, was the guest of honor. The event was also attended by notable officials including the Director of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Chalanga D. Sangma, the Director of Dairy Development, L.S. Shangplang, the Director of Social Welfare, C.D. Lingwa, alongside other officers, dairy farmers, school children and invited guests. In his address, Frederick R. Kharkongor commended the efforts of dairy farmers, highlighting their pivotal role in meeting society's demand for milk. He emphasized the variety of products derived from milk and the potential for creating more value-added items like chocolates, sweets, beverages and more with the support of government initiatives.
What he wanted not to be here, but in fact he's been sent for his training as part of his duty of this particular department.
The NPDD, the scheme has an objective of enhancing production of milk in the organized sector. And this scheme is being organized by the East Khasi District Cooperative Milk Union. And under NPDD, I'm happy to share with you that 3 new dairy plants of 10,000 liters capacity are coming up at Tura, at Umsning and Mukla and will shortly be inaugurated. And this will further augment and contribute as well as enhance the total production of milk in our state. Apart from that, in 2024, the CM Elevate program has also been launched with a special focus on dairy development. And this CM Elevate program has an objective of helping farmers, self-help groups and small business by providing them 50% subsidies under the bank loan. And so far, under 1,500 dairy farmers are being targeted for assistance under the scheme. So apart from that, in Meghalaya, we are trying to ensure that the infrastructure as well as the assistance, promotion, it should go hand in hand. Challenges are there, of course. There is the shadow of the lumpy disease, the various diseases that are there, which have sometimes impacted the production of milk. But however, with the new infrastructure that's coming up, with the schemes that are coming up for assisting dairy farmers, I'm sure that these challenges will be met wholeheartedly by the department, especially by the Directorate of Dairy Development, and also that the youth will be attracted towards this sector so that we are able to provide that ecosystem which supports and which nurtures new entrants into this dairy sector through various training programs, to access through financing, as well as through partnerships with academic and research institutions.
Tegumungi mintang sengi kedika bengi rakhe ka National Milk Day te kumka state ka barit mo ka jila barit te sing inum don in huge volumes bengi laban produce nrei kei ka vision jong department kadai bengi la bengin pinmi ya kita ki processed items kiba long kiba la ban pinpau nam ya ka jila tingin dai hakiwe ki sheki European countries Kiju pau nama namta ka cheese, namta ka chocolate, namta ter. Tiang ni po Meghalaya ngila iba akan kaliang jong fruit wine kala sang pau nama menta. Nagi wine festivals ki barit menta hakni no ki festivals ru ladun baik wine festivals. But ki penon kam do so upai jongi te ngiro hangni le se ngila bengin produce ya ki artisanal cheese, no? Ki cheese but kumangitip bagi European countries ru ka volume kim da bon henrei kilaban pinmi bere ya gini ki cheese products ki artisanal cheese ki ba fair but ki ba long ki ba paunam keleng ka prthai te ngiru hangni po India Natra gidon tang katok ani ki jaka ki bala ban produce ya gini artisanal cheese. Te hangni gidon ka mariang babiang, ban gidon ka culture ka ecosystem ka babiang. Te ngayai kentu bat ni nak department ru ngi kwa bangin penslur ya ki entrepreneur bagin pai syakaliang jong kini ka production of cheese, artisanal cheese. Bat ka deru sibenta jong ka promotion of tourism ru ban yo ban kring ya ki nong mapit ka sini. Te habang ngi kwa ban promote ya ka brand Meghalaya. Umde atang ka music, umde ka craft, ka culture, ka cuisine, food and flavors ru. Te kata kalong benung kam bangin yai persang bangin pet kumno bangin pinmi ya ka cheese jong ka Meghalaya, par ka cheese ka paunam ka badon ka flavor la jong. But ngidon hangni ki lakadong mo ngidon ibon ki ni ki benong no ki local products, let's say ngila ban mix but blend ki ni local products ngila ban produce ka turmeric cheese kumta ter te kata gade ka jing persang go wei ka ba niatmu na ka department te nginget ba kani proposal kala ban tik jumut lese ya katok ane but ngila bangin ya chaprang hakane ka jing persang.